Alright, what's up guys? So today is the May 11th, Wednesday, Thursday. Tomorrow will be the last trading day of the week. Let's take a look. SPY. So the pre-market got pushed down all the way back up. So bullish, still bullish. This thing consolidate. No, we came to another consolidating area. Pretty obvious. Consolidating. Maybe we're gonna break out. Maybe we're gonna come down. We'll see. A few trade that I want to talk about it, and well, winning trade that you know, there's nothing I can talk about this. This is pretty much we short M from top to bottom, pretty much. KS retail just get beat up. Like pretty much all retail is done. No bounce. See this thing? Pretty much no bounce. I missed. Well, I didn't focus on KSS. Um, I focused on Macy, and I should have focused on KS because they have a better range. Look at this thing from 42 all the way to what? 37. 11%. That's like what? That's almost like 5 point. Okay, that's like a 5 point range. Um, on my $5 range. I mean, this is like crazy. Even if you short 1,000 shares right here, then damn, this is awesome trade. Okay, awesome fade. This thing pretty much everywhere any pop you get in here, you can make some money. Okay, anyway, tomorrow, eh, let's take a look at VRX and VRX. Really nice move. Well, I didn't trade this when I was um at lunch. I think I finished right here about 11:30. So missed this move, but it's really nice. If you take a look the classic pattern, 12:30, 12 o'clock. This is a midday fade off. Classic head and shoulder like intraday and just fade off for like 7%. Yep. Yeah, somewhere like that. Yeah. So tomorrow, this is what I'm waiting for is a red day. First red day. This thing on 15 minutes. Still uptrend. So far, I'm not really interested, and I want to see I want to see a trend line break at 1350. If this thing can break 1350, then I'll probably start thinking to short this. Um, Not really into this 14. Probably if this, I'll see how this thing react at the 14 level. If start showing weakness, then I'll start get short on it. Okay, that's how my plan. Uh, okay. EXAS. So EXAS. Let me see. EXAS. Trend is kind of holding. I missed this big day, but this thing it could pop over 35, continue. This thing is really bullish so far. You can watch for a 35, move. And what else? Oh, IMMU. IMMU. This thing is pretty much at this level. It's already close above. The volume is not that strong, but this thing could go higher. Okay, breakout watch. MGM, same thing like MGM. This is 3130. Could break out also. And what else? Tesla. Tesla has been holding and This thing is still seems well. Well, this one go with the market. After the earning brought back, so this is a big trend, still in the trend. Someday, if this thing break out this trend, I'm look for a short. But so far, let's see is a double top or it's gonna push over. Um, get few. WW has more rooms. Yep, WW has more. Tomorrow another retail. Northstorm. Yeah, it's Northstorm. So they already been down today. So since like mo all this retail got beat up today. So tomorrow they had an earning. So earning pop over 49, then straight down to 42, 43. Move up, then came back down. Right now sitting at 44. So 44 is somewhere right here. This thing is bullish, like bearish. Since the retail is pretty shitty, tomorrow I'm gonna look for a trade short side on this. Hopefully at 45 or somewhere like here will be nice. Okay. Um, TTP. Okay, this is the aftermarket. Well, TTD. I'm sorry. TTD. Oh, never mind. How come I'm 49? I'm still moving this thing. Okay, 49 all-time high right here. 46. Probably tomorrow. We'll see how it goes. Tomorrow probably there's some. I'm gonna look for some profit taking right off the gate, right off the gate. So it will be nice. This has very nice range. So very nice range. WTW. WTW is holding here. Straight up. I mean, if you look this chart, this thing is just been straight up. Someday once this trend like break down, I will look for a short. But so far, this thing probably can, move higher, touch the previous high. It still has room. It still has another 5% or 3% range. But I'm not interested in the long side. So what else? What else we have? Let's see. Um, what's the one that had a nice short today? CLNT or Snap. Okay, so I lost money on this one, but I was able to recover some from the intraday short. Well, I mess up right here, but I saw this topping action at 1890. Then I think I got short right here and all the way down to 1824. I covered most right here, and this one went to 18. So 18 seems a big number. 18 holding for the last from 1 o'clock, like 1:20 to 3 o'clock. It's been holding. And tomorrow, we'll see how it goes tomorrow. I still think this thing will come back and test 17 level. Possible. And because the boost trying to push, now they got beat down and it could fade lower. That's my theory. Okay, that's how I look at it. I'll look for more intraday action for it. And that has a nice liquidity, nice range. So you can pretty much trade any size with this. Look at it. This thing, one bar, just one bar is 10 million shares. One bar, 6 million shares. You can play any size with this thing. The liquidity is just awesome. Let me see what else. Okay, AARY, and this thing has more room. Could fade more. I mean, it fade off. And also MTBC. Since they made a nice mover from 384, pop missed this, that's why, but it's okay. I'm just saying because I haven't played this trade. This thing has more rooms. Okay, this thing definitely has. Don't overthink this thing. Oh, one big move is over. Okay, I'm telling you, this kind of thing. When everybody forget about this kind of chart, it can just slowly fade off back to one. But that might take a couple of weeks or a couple of days. It depends. Okay. So yeah, we'll see what we're gonna have in the morning. And that's it for so far for now. Let me see. What is this one? Okay, NE. Oh, HIMX. Forgot this. Pretty bearish. Tomorrow probably back in the 17. I think this thing could, if pop back to the 760 level or 750 level, look for a short. It could continue the more downside. Guess people don't really buy this earnings. Anyway, and what else? Does MB does work? Hmm. Yep, that's it. So, okay. Be patient and, good luck trading. I'll talk to you guys on next time. Thank you for listening.